Bike service portable flywheel puller set. Yeah, 13 bike breakers. There we go. We just bought these. Nice box. Steel case. Let's have a look inside. Carry case with a handle. Nice. Couple of clips. Foam pad. There we go, guys. Oh, I've been needing these for ages. Probably use about 3 or 4 of them at the set on a regular basis for taking the generator flywheels off when we're stripping damaged engines to get parts from them. This makes for a much safer and less chance of damaging the magneto flywheels when we remove them, because these are the correct tools for it. Well, these ones are here. I've already got these in another kit, but I didn't have these ones. So there we go, get that. Threaded on the inside. The quality looks pretty good. There's a bit of rust on this one apparently. On that side, like just there. But hey, that's nothing. It's a wee bit. Nice case. Bike Service is the brand. And we bought them from a company in England called Cornish Scoots, who sell all the bike service parts, tools, equipment for motorcycle service and maintenance. And they're pretty good prices actually. These were about 60 or 70 quid less than other sellers. So got a cracking deal. Right guys, thank you. Let's close this one back up. There we go. And there's the part number if anybody needs it. And if you're needing bits for your motorbike, there we go. We are Yellow 13 bike breakers. Cheers guys.